Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate for SBI CBO, Circle Based Officers interview. This candidate is from, I think, from Delhi. He's from Delhi. I'm waiting for him. And once he comes, I can start questioning him. Yeah, that's what it is. And I think FCI, SBI Circle Based Officers interview. SBI Circle Based Officers interview. Good. Yeah, I will get a message that he has come online. Hello. Yeah, Mr. Sriram is expected to come now. Hello. Good morning, Sriram. Hello. Good morning, Sriram. Is it audible? Your mic is not on. Your mic is not on. Yeah. Please switch on your mic. Yeah. Now speak.
Yes, sir. Is it
Yeah.
fine?
Now I request you to speak little loudly so that the recording will come out well. Good, Sriram.
Oh,
You are from which place?
I'm from Delhi, sir.
Very good. Delhi. Now, what is your basic degree?
My basic degree is BCom honors, and my master's degree is MBA in finance.
BCom honors and MBA finance. You did MBA finance from which institute?
ICFI Hyderabad,
ICFI Hyderabad. In which year did you complete?
2019.
2019. Was it a regular program or it's a correspondence program? Regular
Regular.
program. Yeah, good. Was there campus recruitment in ICFI program?
Yes, there was a recruitment program there. I
Yeah.
was placed in ICICI Lombard, but
Oh,
due to some personal family reason, I couldn't join
you
there.
didn't join
So
ICACA Lombard.
yeah, due to some personal reasons,
Yeah, no problem. Now you
uh,
are working for whom?
I am working for Royal Bank of Scotland.
Acha. Royal Bank of Scotland will normally pay a better salary than our normal scheduled officers, or is it less than what others are paid in nationalized banks?
It's right now. It's been only 8 months of experience for me. I am paid only less than the other bank, and moreover, it's not a normal banking operations like HDFC, ICICI Bank in there in India. It's a normal operations, and all the operations related to HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, it's there in London.
No, but one thing, please don't have complex that what you are doing is not real banking. First of all, you should get over this complex. You are in a bank. Is it a scheduled commercial bank or not?
It's a scheduled commercial bank, but I am working in an operations field. Like
No problem.
it's a
No problem. Absolutely no problem. They do need people for who are good in operations, but honestly, they may require more people in branch operations and also in say credit management and all that. Let us not bother about it. You have applied, and if they select you, you have to do your best. You have to give your best. Okay.
okay.
Now, the first question that can be there will be Sri Ram, what is your father?
He's retired. He has retired previous month from Bharat Forge India Limited. He was working as a senior manager
Coal India Limited.
in Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge. It's a
Bharat.
auto component manufacturing industry.
Acha, acha. Very good, very good. He has retired. Good. What is your mother?
She's a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have an elder sister.
How happy are you?
I'm very much happy. Whatever things that come to me in my lap, I don't care whether it's good or bad. I take everything in a positive manner.
Good. How far are you from your office, Royal Bank of Scotland?
It's if I take my personal bike, it's around 20 minutes.
Acha. Right now, these days, you are working from home or you are going to the office?
No, we have work from home till 31 of December till further notice.
31st of December, you have to work from home only.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
oh,
yes.
very good, very good. Can you tell me what is the nature of work you do?
Nature of work that I do is that first of all I started with the accountament team, wherein I amended the details of the UK customers with regard to the name and the title. Suppose if they are getting married, if they want to do from Miss to Mrs. and if they suppose if they are qualified as doctor, we also change the title. And secondly, right now I'm working as an account opening team wherein I do the KYC details of the customer and any other
Please,
verification
please keep
supposed to.
your mic near your mouth. Yeah. Yeah.
And suppose if any of the verification which is supposed to be done in lieu of the customers, we do that. And any and we
Now look at
also
me and talk. Look at me and
and
talk. Yeah.
yes, yes,
Because
yes,
in a
yes, sorry.
real interview, you are supposed to look at the eyes of the interviewers.
No,
So
sir,
don't
I'm
is you look
sir,
at me and talk. Yeah.
okay,
First
sir.
candidate, first candidate was come online directly face to face. Normally others they keep that black only before me. That's good. This will give you confidence. But you are not
Okay,
an
okay.
ordinary guy. You have studied MBA and all that. Should not be a problem for you to face my eyes.
No. Actually, my habit is that first of all, whenever I'm thinking that what I need to speak, I'm just look at the other side, and then if there's comes to my
Uh,
mind, then I will try to
yeah.
speak because I
The,
cannot blabber anything
the
because this is
solution the
the
solution for that is to practice to communicate at a lower rate, slower rate, so that you get time to think about what you are going to tell next. And it should be
absolutely.
made as a matter of routine practice and should not be made, others should not be made to feel that you are dragging purposely, like just as I am doing now. So you can try practicing it so that you don't have to look here and there and all that. समझ गया?
Absolutely. Yes, sir,
Your
समझ गया
mother
sir.
tongue, what is your mother tongue?
Tamil.
Tamil only. Acha,
Yeah.
Tamil boy settled in Delhi.
I was born and brought up in Delhi only.
Okay, ma, நல்லா இருக்கா?
எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கே. Oh,
Yes, sir.
good, 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 very good. Excellent. Now, you are also good in Hindi.
Yeah, I'm good in Tamil, Hindi,
You can
English.
read and write Hindi.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you are applying for Delhi zone only.
I'm open for pan India.
No,
It's
no,
not
but
in.
this time it is
I'm
going to be only circle based. Which circle have you applied?
Sir, right now the SBI Circled Office exam that you messaged me that day, it was having the the prerequisite that they were placing for the candidates that they need to have 2 years of experience. But right now I have only 9 months
No.
of experience.
Did you apply for Delhi zone or Tamil Nadu zone?
Yeah, I applied for Delhi zone only the
Delhi zone.
exam.
Good, good. Delhi zone only. That means good because you are in Delhi. That will go well. Now, the nature of work you do is back office operations.
Yes.
Correct. And how can you do it by sitting at home?
Yeah, it's very simple. They have a Citrix software wherein it is they have a Citrix software wherein it is linked with the wherein it is linked with the RBS account. At 11:30 a.m. I will be logging in from there and whatever thing that's there in the computer of my office, that screen pops up in my Citrix software and I do my normal operations there from
So
my
now
home only.
let me tell you. Around 11:30, you log into your RBS server and you'll be having certain works that you will have to do. Is it so?
Absolutely.
Is it what you are telling?
Yes, I
Yeah.
do the
You will have
once
certain
I log
things
in.
that you have to do. For example,
Yes.
like receiving mails, you will receive in the form of messages which you have to act upon.
No, first of all, I will be logging into the Citrix software. Therein, I will be a link which is being provided in my office WhatsApp group. I have to open that link, and then
Okay.
once that link is being accessed, I will be giving my credentials like user ID and password, which I give, which is there in my office computer. And once I enter those credentials, then a page will be popping up wherein it will be directly linking to your RBS server. And then from there on, that screen will pop up, which normally pops up in the computer of the RBS services. And then I will be doing my normal operations and dealing with the UK clients.
That means you will be in WhatsApp with your office people also,
Yes, yes, and WhatsApp, Zoom call,
because your
most of the time.
boss, supposing your boss wants to communicate something to you, how can he communicate to you? He will communicate through WhatsApp.
Through something important, then through WhatsApp. Or if there is something important which is to be made among the team, then he or she will be placing a Zoom call meeting.
Good. That's good. What made you develop a taste for joining State Bank of India?
Actually, I don't have that much of interest in working in private
You
sector
don't have
because
that much?
I don't have that much of interest working in private sector, and moreover, I want to start off my career in government-based organizations like banks like SBI and Punjab National Bank. So that's why I want to switch over from private banks to public sector banks.
Good. Then that means, are you trying through the other channels like IBPS and other recruitments also?
Yes, last year only I appeared for IBPS, and I didn't clear that. I don't know, because of my office pressure, I couldn't study for the exams.
Because
Right
you didn't
now,
have time to study.
yes, I didn't have that much of time to study
Yeah.
because of office only. And
Little
second,
loudly. You enjoy and talk. You talk loudly.
no. I am talking loudly, but yes, my way of talking is like that only.
Yeah, no,
if
no.
you
In
take,
a real
if you
interview, you have to talk like this only, slowly. But here, for the sake of people to understand, a little louder will be good. That's nice. Good,
okay,
good,
okay,
good.
okay, 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 okay.
So now tell me, which bank do you have an account apart from RBS? You are supposed to have an account.
No. The account opening, loan issuing process that happens in the London, which is the city where it is headquartered, and we are handling only the basic back end operations.
Does it mean that RBS has got no branches where they are dealing with customers in India?
No, they are having only back end operations, which is there in Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai.
Acha. I think, yeah, I remember. In Chennai, you have an office in Ekat Tangal or something like that.
Yeah, Gindi there.
Gindi. Yeah, I remember going there about 4 years back for taking class for them to tell them about banking and all. Initially,
Yes, yes,
for new
yes,
recruitees.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
new recruitees. Good, good, good. So I think you would have been given enough training about banking and other aspects also. Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes. I have been given basic training about the banking and all those stuffs,
Mhm.
and
Now,
slowly.
um, then did you join JAIIB, preparing yourself for JAIIB? No.
What's that, sir? I am not aware about it.
JAIIB means Junior Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers.
No, sir. I am not aware of it. Yes,
I
you have
suggest
luckily.
I suggest you join that. You first become a member of Indian Institute of Bankers. After a few
Okay.
months, you will be eligible for applying for the examination. It consists of say that banking, commercial law, and accountancy. These three are very easy subjects for you.
Okay.
You studied accountancy in your MBA?
Yes, I have done my BCom honors, so
Acha, acha, BCom.
accountancy.
BCom honors means you must be really good. You must be
Yes.
really, yeah,
It's really a cakewalk for me.
yeah. So you please do that one so that it will improve your knowledge regarding um, current affairs in banking also. How things are,
Absolutely.
how things are going and all. Okay,
Okay.
good. Now that you want to come to State Bank of India, what do you know about State Bank of India?
State Bank of India. The previous CEO was Arundhati Bhattacharya, and It was implement. It came into the existence in during the 1860 time, and it is one of the oldest bank of India.
Sorry. Totally wrong. See, when I asked you about State Bank, you should have told about the present chairman. You unnecessarily told about Arundhati Bhattacharya. And
But
when we ask about State Bank of India, you could have started with the year 1955.
okay,
1955 was the year in which State Bank of India Act came into existence, and Imperial Bank of India was converted into State Bank of India. You have to go through the website of State Bank of India.
yeah, sure.
My telling you alone will not be sufficient. You will have to go through the website of State Bank of India and get to know what it is, what are they doing, why are they doing. All these things you must get to know. Could you understand?
Yeah, absolutely, I
Yeah.
understand that.
Which,
But
yeah, you
but
have to study.
like,
You have to study the basic. Did you get the link I provided for materials?
which link, sir?
Some State Bank of India, CBO materials I provide. Did I send you some links?
No, no, you
I will
haven't
send
sent
you
that.
to, you sent me email or not?
Yeah, no, I yesterday only I just sent you a message that I want to have a mock interview with you,
Oh,
and
acha, you discussed with me only through YouTube message or WhatsApp
yeah,
message.
WhatsApp message, and you in YouTube also. One of my friends provided me the link to access your video through YouTube. Then
No,
when I
no.
message
So in
through
which
live
case,
chat only, through
in
live
which
chat
case,
only
yeah, in which
no, no.
case, you know, you go through my recent videos. Underneath that video, there will be Telegram ID. There will also be email ID. You send your test mail to me. I will send the materials which you have to study.
Okay,
The material consists of lot of things. The first one is Bankers Adda interview. It tells about a bank interview. What are the things we people should know about, say, banking. Then it tells about next one is 58 important banking terms, 200 important banking abbreviations, 2019 SBI interview questions. So many things I am providing you here. You will have
okay.
to study them, you will have to understand them so that you will be able to tell me. Now, one plus point with Sriram is that number one, he is confident, he is able to communicate well. This alone will not do. You must be able to talk about subjects. Could you follow?
No, definitely. But actually, the thing was that yeah, I appeared for the exams, but this is the first time that I'm going through the mock interview of the
No,
public sector.
true. You appeared
So
for IBPS exams and all, where also they would have tested this. But what we ask here is something more than what you would have undergone in your regular, say, IBPS. Here we will ask you what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate, why is repo rate
okay.
increased or decreased. Likewise, technically we will ask. So you must be able to manage them. So which bank do you have an account?
I have an account with HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank. Good. Who is the chairman of HDFC?
Uh, Aditya Puri right now, and in the month of October, he will be replaced by one of the candidate. He's also background of Tamil. I forgot his name.
You get to know the details. That's good. HDFC Bank. Do they insist on minimum balance for HDFC bank account?
I have a zero balance savings account.
Very
So
good. So you are lucky. Zero balance savings account.
I have started working only for the last 9 months only. So if I get married and then if I start planning for the future, then definitely I will be going for different account. Initially, I will be opting for zero balance savings account because I have that dream of exploring things and exploring the world. So that's why you don't know that sometimes that these things may cost very much
Acha, what are your hobbies?
to travel the world.
Traveling the world.
Yes.
Oh, you like travel very much?
Yeah, I love traveling, and
Acha.
I love exploring each and every part of the world. But I have my own passport. But once I start earning from my side, right now due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we are not supposed to go outside India.
You
So
are not
let the
supposed
things
to come out
settled.
of your house.
Yes.
You are not supposed to come out of your house also. That
Yeah,
much,
but
yeah.
yes, but sometimes I go out of my house for some important work, like getting a rations from my home, or suppose if I want to go to the doctor, if I have some health concern, then definitely we go out. Otherwise, even it's been around 5 to 6 months that I've been to my friend's place.
Oh, yeah,
Only
yeah. Nearly 5 to 6 months we have never gone out. Now the point is, um, have you visited foreign countries?
No, no, no. I have. It's been just only 1 year that I received my passport
Acha, acha,
from
theek hai.
the
That's fine.
Ministry of External Affairs.
That's fine. That's
So
fine.
yeah, once the things get settled, I want to start exploring the world
Yeah. Apart
side by
from
side.
that,
But
what are your hobbies?
yeah, I besides traveling, I love reading books. Latest recently, I just read a book on the business of the 21st century.
You like reading books, English books?
English books.
Okay, good.
And I love reading the finance articles from Mint newspaper or Economic Times during
In,
my free time.
acha, are you interested? You said you are interested in reading finance articles. Can you tell me something about the recent article you have read that stays in your mind?
Recent article, last time that I read. Just a second.
It was about which topic?
It was related to the one of the. It was related to one of the companies, and just a second.
Perhaps you have forgotten. No, but hereafter, whenever you read newspaper, you must read with an idea that it should stay in your mind to communicate to others. Correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah. That is what they will. That's what they will test you there. Next question for you. Um, what can you do for State Bank of India? In what way will you be of help for State Bank of India?
What way?
This type of odd questions will come. Only thing is you must try to find out some ways by which you can reply them. For example, for this question, the answer can be, I will learn that basic work allotted in the office. I will try to learn the work, and I will also be able to take lead of the people working along with me. I will be a good team player, and I will try to help the branch in deposit mobilization and in the matter of maintenance of accounts and all that. समझ गया?
Okay.
थोड़ा effectively बोलना है. You have to tell confidently that you will do all these things. Now,
Okay.
next question will come. How will you canvas deposits?
How will you
Canvas deposits.
canvas
Because you are
deposits?
not an ordinary guy, you are an MBA guy. You must be able to tell us what are the ways by which we can raise bank deposits. Of course, you have not had practical experience, but based on your theoretical knowledge itself, you must be able to understand that you can tell them that I will adopt to say door-to-door canvassing. Then through email, I will try to contact people and I will get say notices printed and give it to them and go and meet them in person so that I can canvass their accounts. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
थोड़ा ऐसे में भी थोड़ा ज्यादा रील डालना है. You have to tell something more. Yeah. So this is how it has to go. Now, good. What else would you like to tell me? Please tell me. I have talked to you for 20 minutes. Now you are a candidate, raw candidate. You are a raw candidate fit for being taken as a probationary officer. But what probably they may be expecting is somebody with certain amount of banking knowledge, certain amount of having rolled oneself into customers, advances, deposits, fights. Yesterday, you know, State Bank of India, Tirukoyilur branch in Tamil Nadu, if you have seen the news, the staff members did not work for half an hour. They struck work. The reason quoted was they said we want pens. The manager had to talk to him for over half an hour, after which they satisfied and then they started working. Look, the number of people standing outside waiting for them was nearly 200.
Okay.
So this is the type of people with whom you are going to deal, and more bad in North India where people do not work. I don't mind it being recorded. Where people hesitate to work, and you will have to get the work done by them, and it's not that very easy. So how will you shape yourself to that? That is what is more important. You will have to come out with certain amount of firm answers and confidence, which the interviewers will have to develop. I mean, develop confidence in you. Yes, you are suitable. So you will have to read a lot about State Bank of India. You will have to understand more about Indian banking. You will have to know about more about what is happening in Indian banking circle. कैसे काम करता है? It's not like your culture. आप लोग 11:30 you come means you will be on desk at 11:30. Yes or no?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Whereas there you have to go and ask the fellows, come on, come on, come on, come and sit, come and sit. And how? So I'm not decrying State Bank of India standards or whatever it is. They are doing an excellent service, no doubt. But there are handicaps, there are problems which you have to overcome. You will have to come and mingle yourself with the public sector atmosphere. Are you capable of that? Are you suitable for that? You will have to tell that by making them understand you are interested in State Bank of India. You are getting to know more about State Bank of India. You are getting to know more about Indian banking circle. That is where your success lies. Supposing you come to my house, you will have to start liking the way we serve food. You cannot go to your house where they serve different type of food. You are a vegetarian, non-vegetarian?
I am a pure vegetarian. I am a Brahmin.
Both.
No, I am a Brahmin.
Hello?
I am a Brahmin. I am a vegetarian.
You are a vegetarian, yeah. Supposing you go to a non-vegetarian's house, do you have tolerance? How will you take it? So likewise, now you are going into an entirely different setup. For that, you need to know more about State Bank of India. 100%, they may not ask questions anything relating to what you are going to study. They will only try to find out, are you confident? Are you keen about joining? Will you be directly fitting into this? This is what it is. I hope you understand.
Yes, I understand.
I'm not threatening you. I'm not frightening you. And you are really lucky. Many candidates, they go on write letters, emails and all that. I have never been near to them, but somehow your message came and I'm there before you. So now the point is, I will send you some materials for you to read. Prepare on them. After that, general personality related questions like, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why we should take you? In what way do you think are more suitable for State Bank of India? What can you do for State Bank of India? Likewise, you have worked in Royal Bank of Scotland, which has no relation to direct banking that we are doing. How are you going to shape yourself? this sort of negative questions will be posed to you. First of all, it depends on whether they are shortlisting you. If they shortlist you, then this type of questions will come. They will shortlist you because one, you are BCom MBA. Number two, you are young. Number three, you have good communication skill, which is evidenced by the fact our Royal Bank of Scotland has taken you. These three are the plus points for you. But what is needed is knowledge of banking, knowledge relating to the current trend in Indian banking. This you will have to study. Newspapers, you said you read newspaper, but suddenly you are not able to remember. This happens in all interviews, but that difficulty you have to overcome. समझ गया?
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, I will rate your performance really good only, not bad. But it depends. Certainly, they will select you. Certainly, they will select you. But the marks they give you, how much, maybe it will be different. Maybe whether they give you 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10, depends on the type of questions that day you are going to answer. Mostly the questions will be relating to the current affairs.
Okay.
में कोरोना का बारे में बताओ, कोरोना कैसे चलता है, आप लोग का घर का पास में क्या करते हैं. Likewise, they can ask you questions. ये सबको अब कॉन्फिडेंटली बताना है.
सही बात है.
Correct. So if you prepare for that, then we can do it. So this is only a preliminary interview. So I can meet you after about 10 or 15 days. Okay.
Absolutely.
I will send you links of materials. You just go through them, prepare yourself. You also watch a few of the videos that others have answered. Some others answered, they have been working in some branches and all that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what it is. Now, do you have any questions in your mind? You are
Yes,
very
sir.
handsome. You are really handsome, smart, handsome, smart, smiling. Confident is not much because आंख से मालूम होता है. Confident cannot be much because you are not fitted. You are not on par with this atmosphere. समझ गया?
Ah, sister, sure.
Yeah, you are good for foreign atmosphere. That's true. That's different. But now getting into this area, you have to know more about us. You know about repo rate and all. Have you heard
Yeah, I
about?
know. I know repo rate, reverse rate, repo rate, bank rate, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio. I know everything, these things, but the basic banking operation which SBI deals in right now, I'm not much aware about it. But I was aware about little bit about that. What is SBI and who was the previous chairman of SBI? Present chairman, I forgot about it.
Rajneesh Kumar.
Okay, Rajneesh
Rajneesh.
Kumar.
No, no.
Rajneesh Kumar.
I'm not finding fault with you. What you should do, I suggest you go to nearest State Bank of India, open a savings bank account.
Sir, this sir actually.
Time is not there, I know. Time is
No,
not
sir.
there or
No, sir.
Corona. Correct? Huh?
No, sir. I am not. I didn't mean to speak about that. I was just saying that I was just adding some point about that. What you were saying that I am not finding fault in you. It's good that you are telling me that I am having this fault or that fault. It's good that yes, I can improve upon these things in the
Yeah.
future.
You,
I don't take these things by my stride. Why should I take? Yes, they are telling me something important that's very much important for me for
yeah.
my future.
Speak loudly, loudly.
Yeah, these things are very much important for me in my
Yeah.
future.
Sir, no. The one way by which you can know is to talk to your daddy.
Absolutely.
You talk to your daddy, come sit down, tell me, what are Indian banks doing? What are they doing in the bank counter? Receiving cash, making payment of cash, opening bank accounts, sending remittances. Like that, you talk to him, get to know what are the things where they are doing. समझ गया?
Sure.
Then with that confidence, you can go and when you go for the interview, you can say, though I have been doing back end operations, since I have account with HDFC Bank, I have been visiting them whenever needed. and I do know how people operate in bank branches. In bank branches, what people normally do is receive customers, give them opening form, get the opening form filled, check up for KYC particulars compilation, then open bank account, give them say passbook, checkbook, then ATM card, like that. So these things you get to know. My role as a bank officer will be to check the work done by the clerical staff, and I will do that. When you say that, they will develop confidence. Could you follow? Yeah.
Yes.
One more question you have in your mind? As
Nothing.
it is, nothing will come, I know. As it is, nothing will come at this stage. Doesn't matter. I'm really happy in having talked to you. I'm seeing a
Sure.
bright boy. Delhi boy. Because I was in Delhi for 3 years, 96, 99. Which area are you staying?
In Mayur Vihar, East Delhi.
Mayur. Mayur and all,
Mayur.
for me, it's a very distant place. I was in
Not
old
sir, Mayur. It's Mayur Vihar.
Mayur Vigar, I know. It's a faraway place for me. I was in Karol Bagh, old Rajendra Nagar.
Yeah. Karol Bagh is full of Tamilians. Karol Bagh, RK Puram.
Yeah, I was staying there only, and I used to be very happy about that Bikaner wala. Hare Baba, super sweets and all. I used to enjoy.
Right now, it has been modernized,
Modernized.
and yes, and metro has come into that place.
And Ajmal
And
Khan Road. Ajmal Khan Road is the road where we will go every 2 or 3 days evening walk through the streets.
and there is one more South Indian guy who prepares vada and sambar in Ajmal Khan Road. You might be aware of it.
Ajmal Khan Road, nahi. In Karol Bagh, there is one Nair, one Malayalam Nair. He makes in those days 5 rupees vada. People will stand in cars queues for receiving it. That man was staying near Karol Bagh, inside that market. That your daddy will know it. Anyhow, yeah. Best wishes. Thank you so much.
Sure, sir.
Anything else? No, you don't have anything to ask?
No, I don't have anything.
You have done well. Are you
Yeah,
happy
thank
in
you.
talking to me?
Yeah, yes, it's a nice. It was
Good.
nice
Best
talking.
wishes. Best
Thank you.
wishes. You will succeed. Something more of whatever matter I have sent थोड़ा you पढ़ लीजिए. वो पढ़ने के बाद में बोलने के लिए कोशिश कर लीजिए. आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं. कोई तकलीफ नहीं. हमसे नहीं, उधर इंटरव्यू में भी आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग हिंदी को ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं. स्टेट बैंक वाला जो अंदर में बैठा हुआ, उन लोग को अंग्रेजी उतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. वो लोग.
Sir, personally, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I am that first. I am that first Tamilian who is hearing that pure Hindi from you, even being in Chennai. Otherwise, I have come across so many people in Chennai. They can't even speak that much of Hindi very well.
Here I am able to speak because I was manager for 3 years in Delhi, 2 years in West Bengal. Out of necessity, I learned. And also by watching movies like Sholay of those days, Abhiman, Sholay, Kora Kagas, all those old movies. आजकल का मूवी तो हम देखते नहीं है.
Sir, watch that Hera Fairy series also, Paresh Rawal. That's also a nice movie. You will really enjoy it along with your family. Hera Fairy, Fir Hera
Those
Fairy.
days it was very good. It was very
Yes, sir. Right now, it's all crap.
Yeah.
And moreover, the nepotism debate is also going on account of Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case.
Rajput, yeah. So they can ask you about that also. They can ask you about that also.
Yeah, but actually, I am very much irritated these days because whenever if I open any of the social media apps, there arises only one news, that is Sushant Singh Rajput. Otherwise, they don't have any other news. So I have started seeing the social media.
People, the seller will sell what is being sold more in the market. News media will sell the news that is sold more in the market. That is an obvious reason. Best wishes. We'll meet again. Thank you. Send an email to me.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, then. Bye-bye.